Last week, a driver pulled into my workshop complaining that his Toyota Corolla was eating fuel like a truck. He was spending nearly double on gas compared to just a year ago, even though nothing major seemed broken. Instead of opening the engine, I checked the small things first: tire pressure, airflow restriction, sensor response, rolling resistance, and intake efficiency. What I found was shocking. There was not one major failure, but several tiny inefficiencies silently draining fuel economy every day. Want to know the best part? Fixing them cost less than $45 and required no expensive parts or dealership repairs. After applying a few simple Japanese efficiency upgrades, that Corolla gained nearly 30 to 40% better fuel economy within days, with smoother acceleration and sharper throttle response. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact 6 Japanese upgrades that can dramatically improve your car fuel efficiency up to 40%. These are real, practical upgrades you can do in your driveway. Let's dive in. Upgrade number 6. High-flow drop-in air filter. One of the simplest upgrades Japanese taxi fleets use is replacing the restrictive factory paper filter with a reusable high-flow filter. Most factory filters prioritize silence and long service intervals, but airflow restriction increases as dust accumulates. That forces the throttle body to work harder just to maintain normal airflow. A quality high-flow filter improves airflow consistency and helps stabilize the air-fuel ratio, especially during acceleration. Japanese tuners often combine this with regular MAF sensor cleaning because airflow turbulence around a dirty sensor can completely confuse fuel trims. In real-world testing, heavily clogged filters have shown fuel economy losses of nearly 10%. On small displacement Japanese engines like Honda's 1.5-liter or Toyota's 1.8-liter motors, restoring airflow efficiency can noticeably reduce throttle input during daily driving. A good drop-in filter usually costs between $20 and $45 and can last for years if cleaned properly. The best part is that this upgrade takes less than 5 minutes and requires no mechanical skill at all. Upgrade number 5. Iridium spark plug. Modern Japanese powertrains rely on advanced iridium or platinum-tipped spark plugs to initiate the thermal reaction required to drive the pistons. While these precious metals offer incredible longevity, but the constant exposure to high-voltage electrical arcs and extreme cylinder pressures inevitably widens the spark gap over 70,000 miles. Automotive engineering studies show that even a minor gap deviation can cause subtle micro-misfires. This may allow unburnt hydrocarbons to escape into the exhaust system and reduce fuel efficiency by 5% to 12%. To perform this upgradation, always use a standard ratchet, a dedicated spark plug socket with a rubber retention insert, and an extension bar. Begin with a cool engine. Disconnect the electrical connector from the coil-on-plug assembly before unbolting and then remove the ignition coil itself. Insert your socket into the spark plug well. Turn counterclockwise to unthread the old plug, and carefully lower the new, pre-gapped iridium plug into the cylinder head by hand to prevent cross-threading. Torque the new plug to the exact manufacturer specification, usually between 13 to 18 foot-pounds. Then slide the ignition coil back into position, securing it with its retaining bolt. Upgrade number 4. MAF sensor cleaning. This next upgrade is probably one of the most overlooked fuel-saving tricks in the entire automotive industry. The mass airflow sensor measures incoming air volume so the ECU can calculate how much fuel to inject. But over time, oil vapor, dirt, and microscopic dust particles contaminate the sensor element, which cause inaccurate airflow readings. Even tiny errors in airflow measurement can dramatically affect fuel trims. Some studies suggest that badly contaminated MAF sensors can reduce fuel economy by over 15%. To perform this upgrade, First, locate the MAF sensor between the air filter box and the intake hose. Carefully unplug the electrical connector without pulling wires. Then remove the sensor using a screwdriver if needed. Now take a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner spray and spray it directly onto the sensing element from a safe distance. But never touch the sensor with your hands or cloth, as it is extremely delicate. Let it air dry completely for 10 to 15 minutes before reinstalling. Once reinstalled, the ECU immediately starts receiving accurate airflow data again. This leads to more precise fuel injection, smoother idle, better throttle response, and typically up to 15% fuel savings, depending on how dirty the sensor was. Japanese technicians frequently clean MAF sensors every 15,000 to 20,000 miles because they understand how sensitive modern fuel injection systems really are. Upgrade number 3. Slightly increasing tire pressure above factory recommendation. Fuel efficiency is not dictated solely by what happens under the hood. It is significantly influenced by rolling resistance, which is the mechanical friction opposing your vehicle's forward motion. Most drivers think factory tire pressure numbers are the absolute best settings for fuel economy. But many hypermiling enthusiasts and experienced Japanese mechanics know there is a small trick hidden here. Slightly increasing tire pressure 2 to 3 psi above the factory recommendation can reduce rolling resistance even further that allows your car to glide more easily on the road. For example, if your Toyota or Honda recommends 32 psi, many drivers safely run around 34 to 36 psi for better efficiency. To perform this trick, first check the maximum psi written on the tire sidewall. Never exceed that number. Then use a digital pressure gauge and slowly add air until you are about 2 to 3 psi above factory spec. After inflating, drive the car and monitor ride comfort and handling. The reason this works is because firmer tires deform less while rolling, meaning the engine wastes less energy pushing the tire against the road surface. On highway drives especially, this can noticeably improve mileage up to 7%. However, you should never overinflate excessively because too much pressure can reduce grip and cause uneven tire wear. When done carefully though, this is one of the cheapest and fastest fuel-saving tricks you can perform in under 5 minutes. Upgrade number 2. Fuel injector cleaning. Modern vehicles utilize ultra-precise fuel injectors engineered to atomize gasoline under immense pressure that turns liquid fuel into a volatile mist for rapid ignition. Over time, the localized heat present after engine shutdown causes residual fuel to bake onto the injector tips. This residual fuel forms microscopic carbon and varnish deposits on injector tips that disrupt the engineered flow pattern. Instead of a fine vapor, a fouled injector delivers a dense, uneven stream of fuel that cannot mix properly with incoming air. This leads to incomplete combustion, localized engine deposits, and up to an 8% drop in overall fuel efficiency. The most cost-effective solution is a professional-grade fuel system cleaner formulated with high concentrations of polyetheramine, or PEA. To execute this treatment, drive your vehicle until the fuel tank is near empty. Now take a quality PEA fuel injector cleaner bottle, which may cost you from $8 to $15, and carefully pour it directly into your fuel tank before filling it up completely. This allows the solution to mix evenly with the fuel. Once added, drive normally for at least 30 to 50 kilometers so the cleaner circulates through the injectors. As the PEA cleaner circulates through the system, it gradually breaks down carbon deposits and restores proper spray patterns. The result is smoother idling, easier cold starts, and noticeably better fuel economy. Some drivers even report up to 10% improvement after consistent use in heavily driven vehicles. Upgrade number 1. ECU Reset and Fuel Map Relearning. Modern Japanese cars rely heavily on the ECU, which constantly adapts to driving style, fuel quality, and sensor feedback. The problem is that over time, it can learn inefficient patterns, especially if the car has been driven aggressively or with dirty components. But you refresh the ECU memory by resetting it. Here is how you can reset your ECU. First, turn off the engine and disconnect the negative terminal of your battery. Now let it disconnected for about 10 to 15 minutes. Japanese drivers also press the horn or turn on headlights briefly to discharge any remaining electrical power stored in the system. After waiting, reconnect the battery terminal tightly and start the car. At first, the idle may fluctuate slightly because the ECU is now relearning everything from scratch. For the next 50 to 100 kilometers, drive smoothly without aggressive acceleration so the computer can rebuild efficient fuel maps based on clean driving conditions. Many drivers report smoother acceleration, more stable idling, and up to 12% improvement in fuel economy after a proper reset. This is a zero-cost upgrade, but it has a surprisingly powerful effect when combined with other improvements. That's all of this video. When you put all these upgrades together, the results become surprisingly powerful. On neglected cars, these combined upgrades can improve fuel economy by up to 40%, while even well-maintained vehicles can still gain 10 to 20% efficiency. And the most powerful part? You can do everything yourself, in your driveway, for less than $45 total. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment below letting me know what MPG your car gets, and subscribe for more real, no-nonsense car tweaks.